Hey everyone! Welcome back to TechVerse, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news, reviews, and updates. Today, we're diving into the all-new Samsung A74, a smartphone that's redefining what a mid-range device can do. With its groundbreaking 400MP camera, massive 7,500 mAh battery, and 12 gigabytes of RAM, this phone is designed to deliver a premium experience for tech enthusiasts, photographers, gamers, and everyday users alike. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Samsung A74 is the latest addition to Samsung's A series, a lineup known for offering flagship-level features at a more accessible price point. This new model takes things to the next level with a sleek design, a vibrant AMOLED display, and a powerful chipset that ensures smooth performance. Whether you're capturing high-resolution images, gaming for hours, or multitasking between apps, the Samsung A74 is built to handle it all. Let's start with the design. The Samsung A74 features a modern and elegant look, with a glass back and smooth, curved edges that make it comfortable to hold. The phone comes in several stunning color options, including classic black, elegant silver, and bold blue, allowing you to choose the one that best matches your style. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display is a visual treat, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a 120Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth scrolling and transitions. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media, the display delivers an immersive experience. Under the hood, the Samsung A74 is powered by a top-tier processor, either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 or the Exynos 2200, depending on the region. Combined with 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of internal storage, this phone delivers lightning-fast performance for everything from heavy multitasking to demanding applications and mobile gaming. One of the standout features of the Samsung A74 is its revolutionary 400MP camera. This massive leap in camera technology allows you to capture incredibly detailed shots, even in low-light conditions. The camera system also includes a 12MP ultra-wide lens and a 10MP telephoto lens, giving you the flexibility to capture more in a frame or zoom in on distant objects. With AI enhancements, night mode, and 8K video recording, the Samsung A74 is a dream come true for photography enthusiasts. But that's not all. The Samsung A74 also excels in battery life and charging speed. The phone is equipped with a massive 7,500 mAh battery that provides enough power to get through a full day of heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charging technology ensures that you're back to full power in no time. On the software side, the Samsung A74 runs on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI, offering a clean and user-friendly interface. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, ensuring ultra-fast data speeds for browsing, streaming, and downloading. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC, making it easy to connect to other devices and accessories. Now, let's talk about the competition. The Samsung A74 faces tough competition from other mid-range smartphones like the OnePlus 11 5G, Xiaomi Mi 13, and Google Pixel 7. While these devices offer their own set of features, the Samsung A74 stands out with its 400MP camera, 7,500 mAh battery, and sleek design. So, is the Samsung A74 worth it? If you're looking for a smartphone that combines style, performance, and cutting-edge features, this phone is definitely worth considering. Priced between $899 and $999, offers excellent value for its features, making a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market. What do you think about the Samsung A74? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future of technology.